What's up, guys? It's Matt from RC Overload, and you guys are about to watch the Traxxas Revo 3.3 on its first time starting up since the rebuild. I know I haven't really done a lot with the rebuild series videos. I did a lot more behind the scenes, but nonetheless, this has been very exciting for me, and I couldn't wait to get it finally up and running. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that when I was 14, I got my first radio-controlled car, and it was a Traxxas 2.5R Rustler. So for me to get this Nitro car and get it up and running and hearing it run for the first time brings me back to that day, and it's really exciting because that was over 10 years ago now. So to have a Nitro car running, best feeling in the world. There's nothing like it. You know, I like my electric cars. I love them. My Jeep, my other Revo that I got. But to me, nothing compares to hearing an engine running and seeing the power that comes out of it. To me, there's nothing that compares to it. Yeah, there's a lot more work, a lot of tuning, more potential for things to break, a lot more problems. But I like that stuff. I like the mechanical part of the stuff. So, nonetheless, this is exciting for me. And I really do hope you guys enjoy this quick little video that I made for you guys. Most of it was just more or less breaking the motor in, tuning it, seeing what was working, what wasn't working on it, and trying to figure out problems. I did, as you will see, have a couple of problems in the beginning trying to get it started. It took me about 4 or 5 attempts, but it was a stupid little mistake on my part. You guys will see that here coming up. So I just wanted to, real quick, before showing it, just want to give a thank you to both my girlfriend, my son, and my mother for coming out. They all wanted to come out and see the thing finally run. My son, he absolutely loved it. He got angry every time it shut off. And both my girlfriend and mother did all the video work that you guys will see. I didn't do anything with the camera work other than setting it up at the beginning. And I also got myself a GoPro. So you'll see some shots on this. We're still learning how to use it, what the best angles are, the best shots are for it. So otherwise, thank you guys. Oh, real quick, my mom, she did shoot over 300 pictures of this thing yesterday. And I will have them all uploaded onto the RC Overload website, in which I will leave a link at the description box at the bottom. So feel free, once you see this video, to go check out the pictures. They're absolutely insane looking. You can share the pictures if you want at the bottom of each one of my blog posts. You'll see where you can share it: Twitter, Facebook, Google+, any one of them if you like it. Alright guys, so here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. What's up, guys? It's Matt from RC Overload, and today is the day. Finally get to bring out the Traxxas Revo 3.3 out that I finally rebuilt over the winter a little bit, and practically spent the last 2 days searching around for a location to drive this, because I got to do the break-in procedure. The owner before me was running 10% nitro fuel in it, and I'm upping it up to about 20%, so I gotta redo the break-in. Plus, since the whole tear down and cleaning it up, it's not a bad idea to do it anyways. So, I don't know if it's gonna run, because this is the first time that I'm starting it, so this will be interesting. Alright, let's get going.
Start car.
Okay, attempt number 2.
there you go.
Attempt number 3. Yes! Yes! Oh. Come on. Okay.
Show us up. You want me to drive up the box? Okay, you will.
Alright guys, so I finally got it running because of a stupid mistake I did. I had the fuel lines backwards. Trust me, I'll show you later. Finally works. One tank. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I made a boo-boo. When I reassembled the whole thing back together, I ended up swapping the fuel lines back and forth. And I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about here. If you look here, you got one line coming right off the exhaust, which is now going to the top of the gas tank, the cover. And the other one's coming right off the bottom here, going to the high-speed needle. Problem is, I had this hose here and this hose swapped. So it was back feeding into the exhaust, and because I didn't pay attention when I took it all apart, it caused that. A non-start issue. So, that was one tank. I'm going to finish up doing the other 4 tanks running through it before I just decide to open it up and beat the living hell out of it. So, on to the next tank. All right, guys, so that was it. That was pretty much a quick break-in, along with a little bit of fun with it. Still need some more tuning. Shocks need to be stiffened up, and I think I'm gonna go get a pull start. That would kept going, except for the easy start. Battery died like usual. So there you go. All right, guys, more videos to come. Stick around, subscribe, comment like usual, and I'll see you guys later.